Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya Study Circle. Today I am going to explain about 8th class Maths chapter number 12 factorization. Exercise 12.3 4th bit. In last video I explained 3rd bit problems in exercise 12.3. So in 4th bit, factorize the expressions and divide them as directed. That means in that 4th bit, first problem, x square plus 7x plus 12 divided by x plus 3. This means we have to factorize this and divide with this. So let's see how to do these problems. Solution for this problem is x square plus 7x plus 12 divided by x plus 3. In this case we have to factorize this. Here we have 12, in middle we have 7. So 12 factors are 2, 6 are 12. If we take 2 and 6 are the factors, 2 plus 6 8, but we have 7 here, so this is not the correct pair. Next 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 plus 4 7, so this is the correct pair of factors. Then we take x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12 divided by x plus 3. So from these two terms we can take x common, then we have x plus 3. From these two terms we can take 4 common, then we get x plus 3 divided by x plus 3. From these two terms we can take x plus 3 common, then we have x plus 4 divided by x plus 3. So in numerator and denominator we have x plus 3, so we can cancel this. Then we get x plus 4. So this is our final solution for first problem. Next, second problem, x square minus 8x plus 12 divided by x minus 6. Solution for this problem is x square minus 8x plus 12 divided by x minus 6. So we can factorize this. So we have 12 factors are 2 6 are 12. 6 plus 2 is 8, but here we have minus, so from these two we can put minus in front of these two terms. Then we will get minus into minus plus 2 6 are 12, minus into minus plus, that means minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. So we have x square minus 2x minus 6x plus 12 divided by x minus 6. From these two terms we have x common, then we have x minus 2. From these two terms we have minus 6 common, then we have x minus 2 divided by x minus 6. From these two terms we have x minus 2 common, then we get x minus 6 divided by x minus 6. In numerator and denominator we can cancel x minus 6 common, so these two are cancelled. The remaining one is x minus 2. Next problem is third one, p square plus 5p plus 4 divided by p plus 1. Solution for this problem is p square plus 5p plus 4 divided by p plus 1. So we can factorize this expression. We have 4 here. Factors of 4 are 1 4s are, so 1 plus 4 is 5. So this is our correct pair of factors. So we can write this as p square plus p plus 4p plus 4 divided by p plus 1. From these two terms we can take p common, then we get p plus 1. From these two terms we can take 4 common, then we get p plus 1 divided by p plus 1. From these two terms we can take p plus 1 as common, then we get p plus 4 divided by p plus 1. In numerator and denominator we can cancel p plus 1, then the remaining one is p plus 4. This is our final solution for problem number 3. Next, fourth problem. 15ab into a square minus 7a plus 10 divided by 3b into a minus 2. Let's see. Solution for this problem is 15ab into a square minus 7a plus 10 divided by 3b into a minus 2. Next, 15ab. We have a square minus 7a plus 10 here, so we can factorize this expression. We have 10 here. Factors of 10 are 1 tens are 10. It is not the perfect pair. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 plus 5 7. But here we have minus. So we can take minus in both terms. Then we have minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. So this is our correct pair. That means a square minus 2a minus 5a plus 10 divided by 3b into a minus 2. Next step is 15ab. From these two terms we can take a common, then we have a minus 2. From these two terms we can take minus 5 common, then we get a minus 2 divided by 3b into a minus 2. 15ab. From these two terms we can take a minus 2 common, then we get a minus 5 divided by 3b into a minus 2. In numerator and denominator we can cancel a minus 2. b, 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. The remaining ones are 5 a into a minus 5. So the final solution for fourth problem is 5a into a minus 5. Next, fifth problem is 15lm into 2p square minus 2q square divided by 3l into p plus q. Solution for this problem is 15lm into 2p square minus 2q square divided by 3l into p plus q. So here we don't have an expression to factorize like previous problems, but it is in the form of 2p square minus 2q square. If we take 2 common from these two terms, then we get p square minus q square. See, 15lm into we take 2 common from these two terms, then we get p square minus q square divided by 3l into p plus q. Next step is 15lm into 2. So it is in the form of a square minus b square now. So the formula for, sorry for this, I write here a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So this is our one of the identity formula. So we can substitute this in this formula. So here a equal to p and b equal to q. So you can write a plus b into a minus b like this here. P plus q into p minus q divided by 3l into p plus q. So here in numerator and denominator, p plus q cancel. Next L cancel. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15 cancel. Then we have 5m into 2 into p minus q. 5 2s are 10m into p minus q. So this is our final answer for problem number 5. Next, sixth problem. 26z cube into 32z square minus 18 divided by 13z square into 4z minus 3. Solution for this problem is 26z cube into 32z square minus 18 divided by 13z square into 4z minus 3. Let's see how to solve this problem. Here 26z cube. So from these two we can common 2. Then we get 16. 16 2s are 32. Z square minus 2 9s are 18 divided by 13z square into 4z minus 3. Next 26z cube into 2. Again it is in the form of, it can write as 4z whole square minus 3 square divided by 13z square into 4z minus 3. Let's see, we can cancel z square here. Next 26 2s are 52 z. So it is in the form of a square minus b square again. So the formula for a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Since here a equal to 4z and b equal to 3. So we can write this formula in place of this. Then we get 4z plus 3 into 4z minus 3 divided by 13 into 4z minus 3. In numerator and denominator we have 4z minus 3. So we can cancel 4z minus 3 in both numerator and denominator. Here 13 1s are 13 4s are 52. So the remaining one is 4z into 4z plus 3. So this is our final solution for problem number 6. If you like, try these two problems as I explained in this video. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.